guys, I've got something cool for you. 2017 KTM SuperDuke, motherfucker, with literally all of the fucking bits and bobs you can imagine. See, the car left it on sport mode, so I'm going to be riding like an old granny today. There's no fucking way I'm going to crash this and then have to pay for it. So it ain't happening. Alright, here we go. Okay, so it's... Woo! So, KTM SuperDuke 1290. This thing, as I'm sure everybody knows, is a fucking wheelie monster. And ooh, shit. That clutch is very sensitive. Oh my god. I cannot believe somebody allowed me to ride this thing. Yeah. Oh god. Oh, and it's got auto blipper, by the way. Quick shifter up and down, motherfucker. That is so cool. Oh my fucking god. Oh, I wanted to do a clutchless shifter, I've been dumb. This is so cool. So I think, if I'm not mistaken, this obviously has the KTM LC8 1290cc. This being the 2017, it's actually a client of theirs bike that they're wanting to sell. It's a bit of an older gentleman that yes, it's buddy. That's wanting to sell it. It's a little bit uncomfortable for him. And yeah, so 2017, I think they come out stock about 170 to about 180 horsepower. The guy said that this has everything full. I think it's got a full Kropovic system on it, carbon fiber just about everywhere. And I think one of the guys there says that you're looking at about 189 horsepower or so on this thing, which is just insane. And just like the MTS7, it loves to tip in. Hey, holy crap, that's impressive. Woohoo! Fucking hell, but it vibrates your nuts off though. Every fucking gear, there's just power and power and power. Woo! Fuck, that auto blipper is so nice. Oh my Jesus. Although there's still quite a bit of engine braking, like a bit of a, you know, throws you back a little bit. God damn, boy. This thing is fucking insanely cool. There's just power in every gear. wide open there, but the wind is just so hardcore. Look at that, 4th gear, fucking hard pull. Oh fuck. I think these indicators may be self-cancelling. I keep clicking it. God damn. And it's in sport mode, by the way. Fuck, it sounds good, eh? It is a very tall bike. Very, very tall. Listen to this bad boy. Want to pull off on the side somewhere and show you guys what it actually looks like. Take a look at this fucking beast. This thing is just insane, man. Got the fucking Brembo brakes. What is this? WP forks. I think there's a WP in the rear as well. Mototron aftermarket rear sets. Fucking carbon fiber everywhere. I think it's got a carbon fiber belly pan. I'm not sure. This is a 200. What are they running? Mitsubishi Sportex. Full Akrapovic system. As far as I can see, the cat has been taken. No, here's the cat over here. Here's the butterfly valves. Although maybe it doesn't have a cat, I'm not sure. But this thing is so fucking insane. This is really, really, really nice. You know what? I thought it would scare me a little bit more and get the juices, and it does. And the sound's amazing, but it's not as what I thought it was. I'm obviously not giving it full taps, because if I fuck this up, I've got to pay for it essentially, and I'm not going to be doing that. But without a doubt, this is the sexiest naked bike out of all of them. Without a doubt. I don't care what anybody says. MT10, Z1000, even the H2 SX, whatever. This is the sexiest naked there is. V-twin does have, I think it's RC8 as well. Fucking amazing bike. You know what's nice about it is the torque's insane. The quick shift is a little finicky, but fucking gorgeous nonetheless. So you start it up, man. Listen to that. It's just fucking insane. And it's got the baffles removed, obviously. Alright, let's go carry on before they think I'm stealing this thing. The clutch is very sensitive. Obviously, it's a, I don't know what you call it again. It's not a cable clutch, it's a fluid clutch. The car just goes straight over the circle. So I'm pretty sure this has all the traction control. Definitely, I'm sure it has anti-wheelie on it. You know what? You've got to be firm with this quick shifter. You can't, like me, I'm used to cluster shifting. So you know, sometimes I take a second to think about it, and I think that's what it is. If you're going boom straight into first, boom to second, and so on, or back down to first, it's fantastic. It's such a nice bike, man. I still don't know how I feel about a naked permanently. I think if I had to get a naked, it would definitely be an addition and not a standalone. pretty sure I could have pushed it a little bit more there, but full taps and that wind with no shield is just insane. Take a 5th gear pull. Fucking pull so hard. This thing is fucking insane in the bloody membrane. Look at this. 5th gear pull. And that's low, 130. It just goes. It just goes. That's just insane, man. What's up, buddy? I'll fucking put you so hard in this thing. Slide out on this thing. I'm behaving as if it's my bike. I shouldn't be doing that. Check this. See, this car has just pulled up now? Watch it. Woo! I got myself a power wheelie there. Well, lift off anyway. I think on sport mode the anti-wheelie's off because this thing does want to lift. I wonder if they've changed the gearing though, because 1st gear seems like it doesn't want to go much further than about 80 or 90. Ooh. This thing is fucking insane. Let's see if this guy wants to pull. Please come next to me. Doesn't want to pull against this thing. Man, it was a very quick test ride, but fuck, this thing is fun. Holy crap, this thing is a lot of fun. Holy shitballs. Without a doubt, I definitely get something like this. I still need to test the MT-09 and the MT-10, but my dealership doesn't have the MT-10 sadly, but this thing is amazing. The arsehole cancelling. Fucking rock hard seat though. And can you get this with a bit of experience? Fuck yeah, dude, absolutely. I mean, you've got everything under the sun protecting you. You've got traction control, ABS, anti-wheelie. You've got absolutely everything. I mean, that's just insane. And as I said, I was very intimidated riding this thing for the first time. But I've given it full fucking taps on the highway, and definitely you can feel this thing wants to lift off. I mean, I'm not sure if anti-wheelie's on at the moment, but if it is, then I'd hate to know how this thing fucking behaves with anti-wheelie off. But absolutely, if you've got some experience, I'd say for a fucking way, go for it. Beautiful fucking bike. Big shout out to KTM Tracks for letting me ride this bad boy. I don't know how to switch this thing off further. This is keyless entry, by the way, which is quite cool, I think.